No for do your thing. Head down mash up, girl, you know for do your thing. You know take back charge. No for do your thing. Head down mash up, girl, you know for do your thing. You know take back charge.
Oh, your friend just a try, watch me style, and him on me a tick. Me know me get spoiled, oh yeah, me in my thing concrete.
What's up, guys? I am back. Yes. So as you can see, I'm starting off the video with my hair. Today I'm doing a get ready with me, and this wig that I'm showing you guys is obviously from rpghair.com. This is the loose curl virgin Brazilian hair, and it's a 4.5-inch lace front. Okay, and listen, what I really loved about this wig from the moment I pulled it out the bag, I loved the luster and the movement. It was very silky, and I haven't gotten a wig like this in a while, so I was really happy for this one because I really wanted to do a really nice kind of like loose flowy body wave type of curly look tonight. Not like super curly, but you know, here I really just went into tweezing the hair a little bit more. As you can see, it did come pre-plucked, and if you're good with that, then go ahead and rock it as is, but I love to go in and do a little extra work. Now if you guys need a detailed video or tutorial on how to pluck your frontals or lace wigs, one will be linked below. At this point, I've plucked so many frontals and lace wigs that I kind of just eyeball it and, you know, kind of just go in there and take my time and pluck the areas I want to really appear more realistic, you know. So that's all I was doing here. And a little bit on the specifications. This is a 18-inch lace wig. That's the length of the hair, and it's of a natural color, you know, like a 1B. It is Brazilian virgin hair as mentioned before, and it is of a loose curl pattern. It also has baby hairs around the perimeter, and I got a medium tint, a medium brown lace. So that I am really happy about, that I didn't have to really go in and, you know, do any tinting or anything. So I was loving that. Now, as I said, I kind of wanted to redefine just the look of the texture. So I went in with my wand and I did some really sloppy big curls, nothing defined. And oh, look at the drop. It's just beautiful. The movement is just amazing. I love it. And as I said, I really love the luster. It's not like overly shiny or anything, you know. I love it. So that's all I did, and I kind of just clumped up everything and set them in a curling wand because I wasn't going to wear the hair curly right away. So I wanted to kind of make those curls set in. But based on the fact that this is a curly wig, you know, like a loose curly wig, it held the curls pretty well, like all night. I didn't have a problem with losing them. So okay, now that I'm done with that, I kind of wanted to lay the flyaways in the front here, and I took some hairspray, and this one is pink luster, and I took this brush and I kind of just brushed everything back. I didn't take any gel or anything for this portion, so I really love that, because sometimes the gel can make it look a bit too hard and crunchy. You don't really want that look there all the time, you know. So yeah, and after doing this, I was pretty much done with my customization. I was done with the customization of the wig, so I went in and I just took my time and removed the extra lace from around the perimeter of the wig, and I went ahead and applied it to my head. Of course, you guys know I use my Got2b gel always to help the wig to stay on my head, as well as the combs that you see inside, so that it stays very secure. Trust me, very, very secure. And now I kind of just took my time to do the edges. I didn't want to overdo it, like in terms of baby hair and such, you know, since lately I haven't been doing like a lot of baby hairs. And then I went ahead and tied it down, and now it's time for makeup. So I didn't even know what I was gonna do today. I just knew that I wanted something really flawless, and you know, I don't know, I was going to this red stripe event, and you know, I kind of just wanted to be like really snatched. So yeah, I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, so if you need a brow tutorial, one is always linked below. And I am rocking fusion lashes. They are done by the wonderful Lashed by Elsie here in Kingston, Jamaica. I'll put her information in my description box, so go ahead and check her out. If you happen to check her out, let her know I sent you, okay? Let her know Petite sent you. So yeah, I'm just, as you can see, I'm highlighting away here, and I'm using Golden Beige from Sistar Cosmetics for my under eye area, and I blended that out, and then I proceeded to using my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in warm for my forehead and chin. And then I proceeded to setting those areas, because you don't want to ever wear your makeup without setting it, because this is what helps it to stay and just, you know, longevity, make everything just look super snatched and matte and nice and flawless. That's what you want. That is what you want. So now I pretty much move on to balancing the rest of my face, and say it with me. What am I using today, guys? Milani pressed powder in Warm 109, right? that turned chorus to know. Like, I couldn't know that by heart. I always say that because, you know, it's the truth. So yeah, then I pretty much just move on to kind of just snatching the sides of my nose. You know, I went on the nose bridge area, just on the sides, and I use the same powder to just kind of make sure everything have that very snatched, slim effect that we all like. Well, most of us, not all. Yeah, and I was just feeling it as is, like, and I didn't even add eyeshadow as yet. But yeah, today I'm using my Stilazzi Barbados blush palette. Yes, this is a blush palette. These colors are so beautiful. I'm not a blush wearer. I'm not very fond of it, but I said, you know what, I think these colors will be very perfect for eyeshadows, and they're so pigmented. They're so gorgeous. I absolutely love them. I had to use it, and I'm using this one here. I'll put the specific name in the description box. I use that as my transition color, and it gave that nice little, you know, I don't know, I felt like it was going to complement my outfit a lot because I was wearing blue and stuff, so I really liked how it came off. And then I went into my Royal Beauty Queen palette, and I'm using a bit of that brown there, which is also a matte shade, and I'm blending it a bit into the crease, the outer crease area, with the previous shadow. Now for lids, I'm taking some of my Badescu cucumber water, and I'm going to apply some of my Artist Couture Sugar Daddy highlighter on my lids. I really just, I don't know, this was giving me kind of like Hollywood vibes because the shadows were so blown out and nothing was too precise, you know, and I really love it. I don't usually do eyeshadow looks like this, but I was feeling it tonight. I really felt like it worked, and yeah, that was pretty much for it for shadows. I went ahead and I stacked some lashes on top of the fusion lashes that I already had, and it was Girl About Town from KoKo Mink lashes, and I sprayed and set my face with my Badescu water, and then tapped that in with my damp beauty sponge to make sure everything just appears more like skin. Now I love applying my highlighter after this step. It makes everything pop more and way more luminous. Hence the title of this video, Glow Goddess, because literally after applying the highlighter, guys, like I felt like a glow goddess. I was beaming, okay? And this is the exact reason why I believe, I don't know. I said I would break away from it, but for some reason I'm stuck on Artist Couture Sugar Daddy Illuminator. It's like, honestly, right now, like my favorite. I get so many brand new highlighters all the time, even since recent times, but for some reason I just come back to Artist Couture's Sugar Daddy, to be specific, okay? It's bomb. At least for my skin tone, I really love the way it comes off. It's very bronzy, and you know, it doesn't come off ashy or anything. And I also popped some of that in my tear duct area, and I was just glowing, guys. I really loved it. Now for lips, I'm using two Lena liquid lipsticks, and I took Fredrique, this is the brown one, first to kind of line my lips and, you know, kind of pat that out, kind of press it out with my lips. And then in the middle I went in with Stephan to just kind of, you know, make things a little bit more, you know, give it a little bit more definition, and, you know, yeah. And that was pretty much it for the lips. I'm pretty sure some of you are surprised that I'm not applying gloss today, but I went ahead and I did matte because I was loving this look, guys. I removed the head tie, and I changed my outfit right here, obviously, and I was just unraveling the hair from the rods. And guys, I was just, oh, I was feeling this look, man. I loved it. I love it. Trust me, I love the way the hair came out. Like, look at how laid the hair is. It looks so natural. The luster is just so beautiful. The movement is gorgeous. It's absolutely stunning. Like, RPG hair, shout out to you. Shout out. Guys, if you're interested in this or any other way you've ever seen me rocked from rpghair.com, don't forget to go ahead and use my discount code SUE15 and PETITE-10. I further kind of laid the flyaways on top there with some more of my pink luster hairspray, and you know, just pat that down, and I kind of did a little flip over action in the front there because I really like how that look comes off on me. I don't know, I just like it. Yeah guys, but that's pretty much it for this look today. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I know it was a bit long. Get ready with me rather. I know it was pretty lengthy, but I hope you guys liked it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Leave your thoughts in the comments section, and I'm gonna definitely keep the content coming, okay? I'm gonna keep it coming. Once again, thank you guys for your support, and if you want to see how this night turned out, go ahead and check out my vlog channel to see that, PETITE-SUE TV. And yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.